Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edwin Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser. So ang first step na ating gagawin ay kailangan mo na mag-create ng Google account. Okay, so once nakapag-create ka na ng Google account, and then next step ay open mo lang yung YouTube apps, alright? So, download ka na ng YouTube apps. Makikita mo naman sa Play Store. Kapag PC mo naman yung gamit mo is search mo lang dito sa search address bar yung YouTube. So, once dito ka na sa YouTube, ang gagawin mo ay kailangan mo lang i-log in yung Google account mo siya. So, once nakapag-log in ka na, so dito lang sa taas makikita mo dito yung search. So, search ka lang dito ng any YouTube channel. Okay? So, search lang tayo. So, kung paano ba tayo mag-subscribe? So, ito yung isang YouTube channel, and that makikita mo dito sa right side yung subscribe. Okay? So, itap mo lang yan. Ito na siya. So, makikita mo na dito na subscriptions added. Okay? Ito siya. So, click mo tong arrow na yan, and then pwede mo naman itong i-customize. So, pwede mo itong i-bell all. Click mo lang yan. And then, nandito naman yung other settings, personalize, none, or subscribe. Dito siya. Right? So, ganun lang po kasimple on how to subscribe to a channel on YouTube. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.